Hello everyone. Now this is the video of chapter decimal, and in this video we will discuss about the word problems of addition of decimal and subtraction of decimal. So let's start from first word problem, and this is Ram purchased 5 kg 300 gram of potatoes. This is the weight of potato, and this is the weight of rice, and this is the weight of oil. Now what is the total weight of items purchased by Ram? Total. Here total means addition. You have to find addition. So first we will write in a statement. Statement making is so easy. Here you have to find what is the total weight of item purchased by Ram. So we will write a statement according to last line. See how. What is weight of items? Items are potato, rice and oil. So we will write a statement like this. Weight of, on the place of item, first we will write potatoes purchased by Ram, equal, this is the weight of potato, then we will write. Okay, next one, weight of rice purchased by Ram, this is the weight of rice, so we will write here. Next, weight of oil purchased by Ram, see, this is the weight of oil purchased by Ram, so we will write here. Now what is the total weight of items? So we will write total weight of items purchased by Ram. So total means addition, sum, plus. So we will add these numbers. See how. 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. Next 0 plus 5 plus 7, 12. 12 to carry 1. Now 7 and 3, 10. 10 and 2, 12. 12 and 1, 13, 3 carry 1. Now 7 to 9, 9 and 1, 10, 10 and 5, 15, 5 carry 1. Now 2 and 1, 3. So this is 35 kg, 325 gram is the total weight of items purchased by Ram. Okay, I think it is so easy, so clear. I think no confusion in this question. Now the question is, there is a temple in between the house and a metro station, and metro station is 2 km 200 meter away from the house, and temple is 800 meter away from the house. What is the distance between temple and metro station? Okay, so we will find the distance between temple and metro station. So see how. Here this is one mind map. This is one mind map for you. Here this is metro station. Let's suppose this is metro station and this is the house, and the distance between house and metro station is 2 km 200 meter. Okay, and the distance from temple and house is 800 meter. Okay, now what is the distance between metro station and temple? This distance, what is the distance between? So just think, this is 800, so this is also 800. Now what is this? Is the remaining distance. So how to find the remaining distance? By subtracting the both distances we can find the remaining distance. Remaining means temple to metro station. Clear? So let's start the statement. First, distance of metro station from house, it is given 2 km 200 meter. Okay, next, distance of temple from house, this is 800 meters given. Now we will write separate in a separate column. This is 200 meters, so we will write in meters column 800 meter. Okay, now so distance between temple and metro station, so subtract, if we subtract the both distances, we will find the remaining distance. Remaining means distance between temple and metro station. So how to subtract? 0 minus 0, 0, and 0 minus 0, 0, 2 and 8, they are not 2 and 8, so we cannot subtract 8 from 2, so we will borrow 1. And how to take borrow? See, this is 2 kilometer, and so we will borrow 1 kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer. Why? Because this is kilometer and this is meter. So 1 kilometer will convert into meter. So this will become 1200 meter. Now 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, and here 1 because 1 borrowed. So 1 kilometer 400 meter is the distance between temple and metro station. Clear? Now, two questions are there. What should be added to this number to get this number? And what should be subtracted from this number to get this number? So, if these type of questions are there, so it is very easy to solve you. First consider, let x should be added. Okay. What should be added? Let x should be added. Okay. Now, according to question, what should be added to this number? So, 37.73 plus x, let x should be added to get, what is the meaning of to get? To get means equal 73. Okay, now find the value of x. See how x equal, this is positive. When we find the value of x, then this should be on right side of equal and this should be negative. Why negative? Because this is positive. When we transport it, it will be positive. Okay. Now subtracted 73.00. Why 00? Because this is, they are unlike. This is 37.73 after 37 two digits. Here no digit after decimal. So we will subtract it by making them like. So now 10 minus 3 7. Here 9, 9 minus 7, 2, decimal, here 2, why? Because 1 borrowed. Now 12 minus 7, 5, here 6, 6 minus 3, 3. So x equals 35.27, okay. So at last we will write the statement like this. So 35.27 should be added to this number to get 73. Clear? Easy? Next one. What should be subtracted from 89.257 to get 27.287? So let x should be subtracted. Now what should be subtracted from? From means from this number. So first we will write this number 89.257 minus x. Okay. According to question, what should be subtracted from this number? From means we will write this number first, then subtract x. To get means equal 27.287. Okay, now find the value of x. And so here it is easy to solve. First we will transport this x because this is negative x. So when it will move on right side of equal, it will positive, and 27.287 will negative. Why? Because this is positive. We will write number on same side and variables on another side. Now 89.257 and 27.287 subtracted. 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 8, so 15 minus 8 7, here 1, so 11 minus 2 9, here 8, 8 minus 7 1, and here 8, 8 minus 2 6. So x equals 61.970. So at last, so 61.97 should be subtracted. 61.970 after decimal, if no digit and 0, then you can write like this 67.97 also. So it is clear, easy.